Hello everyone, welcome again. So this time I'm sharing you a small bedroom makeover. This bedroom belongs to my mom and dad. So this is something very close to my heart. Without any further delay, let's see the full makeover.
Home is not a place, it's a feeling, especially when you have shared good memories with it. This is the room I'm going to restyle. As you can see, it's cluttered, so I first changed the bed setting to make it more spacious. One of the wall was dark red, which was blocking light in the room, so I painted it all white to make it look brighter. This is the wall after painting. Then I painted the base of side table white. Similarly, I painted a tray and a table lamp white. This lamp I tried to make it more beautiful. So after coloring with white, I spray painted gold with the help of a brush. You can see how beautiful that has come up. Now this is one of the DIY for hanging light. I used wooden twigs, wrapped rope around it, then used LED string rolled over the rope. This is one of the projected area of the room with long glass windows. One of my favorite part here. I'm enhancing it with LED string around the corner first, then added our DIY hanging. Used artificial leaves garland, wrapped one of the branches to the hanging light and remaining to the other sides of the area. This is a wall coat I made on a wooden textured laminate which was lying as waste, so I utilized it here. Just painted the base white using a tape around the corners and wrote the coat. I truly believe that you should have coat that suits you in person. For a room makeover, you must add plants. I added some greeneries keeping in mind the colors I am going to portray in this room. Now this area is all set. Now this is the table after painting the base white. I'm doing a beautiful table setting. Used a tray, some of my dad's favorite books, a family picture frame, and some accessories. Finally added the lamp, and it's done. I took help of my youngest brother for fixing the wall decors. He did a wonderful job. Now arranging the bed. Lastly added this customized wall clock for this wall. I'm going to link all the items used in description box for reference. Remember how it was? After makeover, the room is much brighter, spacious and organized. Your home should tell the story of who you are and be a collection of what you love. With love from a proud daughter. Thanks for watching.